Thank you very much, Premier Lee, for the warm welcome to me and my delegation. I am a regular visitor to China. I've come here very often, and I recently met Premier Lee also in KL at the ASEAN Summit. But this particular visit is extra meaningful because it's my first visit in my official capacity as Prime Minister, and it's also a visit to mark the 35th anniversary of our diplomatic ties between our two countries. The visit also comes soon after Singapore's general election. So my team and I have a new and clear mandate from Singaporeans for a new term of government. I've brought in new members into my cabinet. We have a new government, and that's why in this delegation, I also have some new members of the team visiting China with me. And I'm encouraging everyone in my cabinet to continue visiting China regularly so that we can continue to build and strengthen the close ties between our two countries. Our relationship continues to grow from strength to strength, especially after we upgraded the partnership in 2023 to an all-round high-quality, future-oriented partnership. And the revised and upgraded partnership provides clear strategic direction for the cooperation between our two countries. And on that basis, we are continuing to develop, grow, come up with fresh ideas, and continue to find new ways of cooperating and strengthening our cooperation. For example, in the digital and in the green economies. The relationship between China and Singapore has continue to deepen and grow because it's a partnership built on a deep level of mutual respect, trust, and understanding. This deep level of trust and understanding cannot be taken for granted. It has to be cultivated, nurtured, year after year, generation after generation. And that's why I'm fully committed, together with the rest of my team, to strengthen our interactions and exchanges with our counterparts in China, and I look forward myself to having this rapport and trust with you, Premier Lee, so that we can continue to take our relationship forward and forge even closer ties, both bilaterally between our two countries, and also, as you said just now, because we are living in a more uncertain and turbulent world, and we should together find ways to cooperate, not just between ourselves, but also in regional and multilateral platforms.
总理先生在这个重要时刻重要时点来华访问，并把中国作为你连任以后除东盟之外的首访国家，这体现了新加坡新一届政府对中新关系的重视，中方对此表示赞赏。也相信你这次访问一定会为两国关系发展注入新的动力。你也知道，当前国际形势是变乱交织，特别是不确定、不稳定的因素还是在增多。在这样的背景下，我个人觉得，中新作为友好近邻和重要的伙伴，加强合作和交流尤为关键。明天呢，习近平主席将同总理先生举行会晤，就深化发展两国关系做进一步的规划。中方愿意和新方一道，立足新的形势变化，着眼维护共同利益，秉承互尊互信、平等相待、互利共赢的优良传统，推动双边关系和合作能够结出更多的硕果。我愿意同总理先生就我们共同关系的问题深入坦诚地交换意见。